January is not just a month on the calendar, it is your chance to turn the page, to shed the weight of yesterday, and to step into a version of yourself that you've only dreamed of. This January, it's not about what happened before, it's about who you are choosing to become now. Every year, January arrives like a blank canvas, holding infinite possibilities. Yet, so often we step into it carrying old regrets, unfinished stories, and burdens that aren't ours to carry. But what if I told you that the power to change everything lies not in the calendar, not in resolutions, not in luck, but in your mind, your focus, and your unwavering courage to start again? This January, I invite you to a radical decision, a reset of your energy, a restart of your purpose, and a refocus on what truly matters. To reset is to forgive yourself for past mistakes, to release the things that weigh you down. To restart is to take bold steps toward your dreams, even if fear whispers otherwise. And to refocus is to sharpen your mind on your priorities, cutting through distractions and doubt. Today, we embrace the power of new beginnings, not as wishful thinking, but as a deliberate, courageous choice. Reset. Let go to grow. Resetting is not weakness. It is the strongest act of self-love you can give yourself. It means letting go of failures, regrets, and even relationships that no longer serve your growth. When you reset, you create space for possibilities that never existed before. Imagine carrying a backpack filled with stones. Each regret and negative thought weighs you down. Resetting is dropping those stones. It is saying, I am not defined by what I have lost, by what I could not do, or by what others have said about me. I am defined by the courage I have to start over. Resetting your mind also means forgiving yourself for past missteps. Many of us keep pressing forward with guilt as a companion, but January is your invitation to leave guilt behind. Each day is a new opportunity to choose joy, to choose purpose, and to choose peace over pain. It is a conscious decision to release self-blame and to embrace self-belief. This month, allow yourself to breathe freely, to walk lightly, and to step into a life that is unburdened, ready to flourish in ways you never imagined. Resetting is not about forgetting. It is about learning, evolving, and letting your past serve as a guide rather than a cage. It is in the quiet moments of reflection, in the honest evaluation of where you have been, that true growth begins. This January, make it your mission to reset your heart, your mind, and your vision for the year ahead, knowing that letting go is not giving up, it is creating the soil in which your dreams can take root. Restart. Courage to begin again. Restarting is the bridge between who you were and who you are becoming. It is not waiting for the perfect moment, for perfect clarity or perfect conditions. It is the courage to take imperfect steps toward your dreams. Too many people wait for life to hand them certainty, but life rewards the brave, the ones willing to stumble, learn, and rise again. Restarting is saying, I may have failed, I may have fallen, but I am still here, and I will move forward with purpose. Every restart requires bold action. It requires showing up, even when fear sits on your shoulder and doubt whispers in your ear. It means writing the first chapter of a new story, one that reflects your values, your passions, and your deepest desires. Restarting does not erase what you have learned. It leverages every lesson, every scar, and every moment of pain to fuel your journey forward. Restarting is also about embracing small victories. It is taking one intentional step today and another tomorrow, and realizing that momentum grows with persistence. It is about redefining failure, not as a dead end, but as a necessary detour towards something greater. In January 2026, commit to restarting with relentless hope, knowing that every fresh beginning carries the seeds of extraordinary transformation. Refocus, sharpen your vision. Refocusing is the secret weapon of those who turn dreams into reality. It is the art of clarity, the ability to distinguish what truly matters from the noise and distractions of the world. In the chaos of daily life, your attention is the most precious resource. January is the month to reclaim it. Decide what deserves your energy, your time, and your unwavering dedication. Refocus and watch how life responds to your clarity. Refocusing requires discipline. It requires a deliberate pruning of habits, relationships, and routines that pull you away from your purpose. It is not easy, because clarity often means saying no to what is comfortable and convenient. But it is in these conscious choices that your life begins to align with your intentions. When your focus is sharp, every action becomes deliberate, every decision becomes powerful, and every day becomes a step toward the life you are destined to live. Refocus also means aligning your mind with positivity, resilience, and determination. The mind is like a lens. When clear, it magnifies opportunity. When clouded, it distorts reality and magnifies fear. This January, commit to focusing your mental energy on solutions, possibilities, and growth. Every thought you nurture, every intention you set, becomes the compass guiding you to your next breakthrough. Refocusing is not a task, it is a lifestyle, a daily commitment to yourself and your dreams. Embrace momentum. Small steps, big results, reset, restart, and refocus are powerful, but without momentum, change remains a dream. Momentum is built in tiny, consistent steps. It is waking up early to invest in your growth, practicing your craft daily, and nurturing your relationships intentionally. Momentum turns intentions into achievements. Every small action compounds over time, creating results that seem impossible at first, but inevitable in their manifestation. The beauty of momentum is that it grows as you move. Each small victory fuels confidence, and each disciplined choice builds character. Momentum is also deeply emotional. It reminds you that you are alive, capable, and worthy of every success you pursue. In January, do not wait for motivation to arrive. Create it through action. Start today, start now with what you have, and let your movement create the energy that propels you forward. Momentum also teaches patience and persistence. It reminds us that extraordinary results are rarely instantaneous. They are built quietly, consistently, and deliberately, like a river carving through rock. Trust the process, embrace the journey, and allow January to be the month you set your momentum in motion, knowing that consistency, not speed, is the secret to lasting transformation. Celebrate the journey, gratitude as fuel. Finally, as you reset, restart, and refocus, do not forget to celebrate the journey. Gratitude is not merely a feeling, it is a force that amplifies progress and strengthens resilience. Take a moment each day to acknowledge your efforts, your growth, and the courage it takes to begin again. Even in the face of challenges, gratitude turns obstacles into lessons and setbacks into opportunities. Celebrating the journey is also about recognizing your own worth. You are not defined by outcomes alone. You are defined by the persistence, resilience, and love you pour into your path. January is a reminder that progress, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Each step forward, each intentional choice, and each act of courage should be honored, because these are the moments that shape your destiny. Gratitude fuels momentum, focus, and hope. It shifts your energy from scarcity to abundance, from fear to possibility. As you move through this month, let your gratitude illuminate your path, reminding you that you are capable, deserving, and unstoppable. When you combine reset, restart, refocus, and gratitude, you create a life that is not only productive, but profoundly fulfilling. In the end, January 2026 is your invitation to reclaim your power. Reset your mind, release the past, restart your actions with courage, refocus your energy with clarity, and embrace every step of your journey with gratitude. This is not a fleeting chance. It is a deliberate choice to create a life that aligns with your highest potential. Remember, the power to transform your year and your life lies within you. When you choose to reset, restart, and refocus, you are telling the world and yourself that nothing can define you except your willingness to rise, to grow, and to shine. This January, step boldly into your power because the best version of yourself is waiting, and every day you wait is a day of potential lost.